Hi guys, welcome back to another Woofy Bros video. Today we're shining up the expansion chamber in the muffler and repacking the muffler. So let's get to it. Take this off. The spacer behind here. It's out. It's off. Now the front. One off. Second one off. This is the power valve vacuum hose. You need to take this off to get the front off. It's off. Now these. Up to the second one. Take this one out. Take this out. Putting some polishing compound on this AEG bench grinder. Good enough. Just got to check the muffler with the packing inside. I've got to take off the cover, have a look. Yes, doesn't look too bad, but yeah. It looks a bit shit, so I've just got to repack it, got to take it off. Take that bit off. I'll wrap that. Oh. Yeah, just see there. It's all oily. Just inside. But yeah. Under there. I'll give it a wipe down. I need to give this one. I wash my hands because I didn't have any gloves. This care is not great for your hands.
Eventually.
We're just running the Ryobi heat gun through the exhaust pipe here to get all the shit out of inside of it. So just give it 10 minutes. See how it goes.
Meanwhile.
we decided not to use this, but we have this offcut from that, but we can't like have it that big because COVID. We can't really get anything, but we'll make do just with this to pack the muffler. We had to use some of the old packing, didn't have enough. So, have to push it up a bit more. Just put a couple of cable ties to stop the leak. Just put them under. And just put it more and then try to get it. Yeah, come on. Line it up. It's all lined up. Tighten it down. Yeah. We put the heat gun through the expansion chamber, shined up the end of the exhaust pipe, and polished the expansion chamber. Fuel on, choke. Hopefully it starts up. First kick. Make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe and turn on post notifications. Make sure to go check bike sales in upcoming months because this bike might be for sale there. And if you haven't already, go check out the fence post video right up there and see ya.